guys, it's Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel, Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free pie crust. For this recipe, you will need a half cup of almond flour, a half cup of tapioca flour, a half cup of coconut flour, a half cup of lard, 1 egg white, and a 1/4 cup of water. To start, we are going to combine our almond flour, tapioca flour, and coconut flour. Next, we're going to add in our lard and cut it in with a pastry cutter. Next, we're going to combine our egg white and water. Now we're going to pour that into the rest of our ingredients and mix it together until it forms a dough. Now we're going to take our dough ball and we're going to wrap it in saran wrap, or you can use a plastic bag if you don't have any. And then we're just going to gently press it down into a disc, and we're going to let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes or overnight. Once our dough is chilled and out of the fridge, we're going to sprinkle some almond flour on a piece of parchment paper to help prevent it from sticking. Then we're just going to flatten it into a disc even more, and if it starts tearing, you can just squeeze the tears back together. And then we're going to get some more almond flour and just sprinkle the top so it doesn't stick to our rolling pin. And now we're going to flip it over and repeat the same on this side. And then we're going to get our rolling pin and we're just going to roll it out, going in all directions so it stays a circle and not just a long piece of dough. Here I have rolled the pastry onto a rolling pin, and I'm just going to unroll it on top of the pie tin. And if some parts tear off, that's totally fine. You can just kind of place them back on and pinch them into place. Now you're ready to go and make whatever kind of pie you would like. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time!